Why me turn up for a check? I'm coming at your neck. All these diamonds, why me flex? Bitch, I'ma die for my respect. Why me turn up for a check? I'm coming at your neck. All these diamonds, why me flex? Bitch, I'ma die for my respect. Watch me turn up for a check. I'ma die for my respect. Bitch, I'm a dog, I need a bed. Oh, you hating, that's a bed. This trip just got off a jet. We took on so fucking mix. It's 97 and I'm break. Put my trust inside a tick. Why the hell you tryna flex? Like you down to pull a flex. I will put your gang to rest. Make your bitch come get me sex. You ain't heard yet, I'm the best. I do this shit for real. No need to wear the vest. If we shoot and we shoot to kill. Got some money in my cup and plus I'm rolling up a bill. If you looking for some problems, I got them, so what's the deal? See, I'm really in the field. Bitchin' money, Jack and Jill. All these diamonds, that's no chill. So if they'll take you with deal. I'm just trying to chase a meal. I'ma die for my respect and you gon' die before I get killed. Why me turn up for a check? I'm coming at your neck. All these diamonds, why me flex? Bitch, I'ma die for my respect. Why me turn up for a check? I'm coming at your neck. All these diamonds, why me flex? Bitch, I'ma die for my respect.
Hey, all that snitching shit, I could never take the stand. Put a Bible in my hand and tell on another man that the judge in his hand. Put the beat in the pen. Doesn't mean that's a sin, even if you're not your friend. Even if you're not kin. If you do the shit once, you'll do the shit again. Yeah, you'll do the shit again. You'll do the shit again. I can never. I can never. If it ain't about money, I ain't never get to it. No, I ain't never get to it. Never smoke purple blood, but I drink purple fluid. Oh yeah, I drink purple fluid. They say pimpin' ain't easy, but it's really nothing to it. Nah, it ain't really nothing to it. Got the club going up, even if it's not a Tuesday. Give a fuck about what you say. Strap me this like, but we ain't talking about food shit. No, I ain't talking about food shit. I get your girlfriend more than you and a roommate. More than you and a roommate. Can't be the compliment, girl, just a crewmate. Hey, girl, just a crewmate. Hey, talk to me. Girls, boys, by the day, all day. You make me feel gloomy. Hey, team try to school me. School try to fool me. I ain't seen who shot the toolie. But I keep it to me. Big back booming. With some crips, I be fooling. Getting money, what they doing. The better what they doing. What they really just doing. I can never take a sin. Put the Bible in my hand. Put another man from the judge to his hand. Put the name in the pen. It doesn't mean that you're saying, even if you're not your friend. Even if you're not kin. If you don't do the shit